Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pandu from Tech Dude, and now we have to go for an hunt. Like we have to get an best smartphone under 35,000 rupees in offline market, and in online everyone can get a best smartphone under 35k. But we are going to get a best smartphone under 35k in offline market. So if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude, and let us roll the intro.
You expect me to say, you know that I will always find a way to fuck up everything that we ever made. Some people change and some people don't. Don't give it another shot. We've had enough, I think it's time to stop. I fucked up everything we ever made. Some people change, but you know.
As you can see, we are at Chroma, but the management did not allow us to take camera inside the showroom. Now we went to Chroma and we didn't find Nord CE3. It was unavailable. We are back home, and I have forgotten my wallet right here, so I'm going to pick with my wallet and go back to Reliance Digital. So let's go. I didn't take cameras to the store because they didn't allow us to do, so I didn't want to sneak in or breach their privacy. So let's see you at Reliance Digital. Currently you can see that we are at a Reliance Digital Nagar. After a long time, here I'm back with another video. Technically, let me adjust the camera a bit. So the main reason why I'm here is that we went to Reliance Digital. As you know, they didn't allow, both the stores didn't allow us to record because of their privacy issues and stuff. And when it comes to Chroma, there are limited selections in terms of smartphones. There are hardly 2 to 3 smartphones in the budget range, and while it comes to Reliance Digital, they have variety of options. So I like the way they have received us. And another thing is that Reliance has huge offers. Like if you pay extra 3,000 rupees, you will get some LED or something kind of an scheme where if your smartphone gets damaged, whether it is with liquid damage or whether it is false or screen shatters, directly Reliance will replace your smartphone if you pay 3,000 for if you pay 3,000 within 1 year. If any damage happens to your phone, they will replace it. And you may have another second thoughts that why didn't you go for OnePlus Nord 3, why you went for CE3, or why you choose OnePlus, because you may see we are facing green line issues in OnePlus. So that's the main reason why I took that scheme. This OnePlus smartphone comes with Snapdragon 782 processor, where other competitors comes with the Dimensity 720, 730 processors. I feel like Dimensity processors has some MediaTek Dimensity processors has some drawbacks, such as they doesn't perform consistent while it comes to longer durations. Like you may see some performance drops and stuff. So that's the reason why I didn't choose OnePlus Nord 3 or any other Motorola devices. And I feel like Snapdragon has that sustainable performance throughout long duration, or when you use your phone for long time, there will be no performance issues. You might find a slight heating, but it is manageable. And here you can see this is an C3 box. I forgot to show you, and later we will do some review video regarding that, or later we will do a long-term review video regarding this smartphone. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel Tech Dude. Signing off, your Tech Dude.